Root of sin. Overwhelming victory is ours through Christ who loved us enough to die for us, Romans chapter 8 verse 37. The basic problem facing our world is not just social inequity, or lack of education, or even physical hunger. We are finding that highly educated and well-fed people have greeds, hates, passions, and lusts that are not eliminated by education. The root of sin in each of our hearts is extremely deep, and this is the basic cause of the world's problems. Only the fire of the Lord can burn it out. This is precisely what Christ came to do. He didn't come to treat symptoms. He came to get at the very heart of man's disease. Prayer for the day. Father, root out the sin in my life, the shortcomings that are there, and fill me with your love, so I may fight against the evil present in the world today.